So yesterday, Sunday, today is Monday, we did discuss about analytical tools that allows you to sell something in Amazon, okay? One of the key primary things I'm going to talk about today is explaining the keys, all right? So from left to right, okay? I'm going to go this way, right? From left to right. So I will be talking about AC number, analyze reviews, okay? Add competitor, run Cerebro, run listing analyzer, say product, okay, ideas, delete, filter, export, customize, and so on and so forth. All right. So I'm also going to talk about the bestseller. Okay, what's the bestseller? The volume, the total, the average price, and so on and so forth. Okay. So primarily, what I really want to do is to make a long video and explain everything from zero to hero. So that someone who's very completely new into Amazon, they need to know what tools they want to have. So let's say, for example, you want a product. And you live in a town, you need to know how many shop sells that product and how much each shop is selling that product. That's a quite intensive research to do. In Amazon, in the virtual planner, you can spin up a tool, scan an AWS, and you can display 35, 40, 50, 60, 70 products, okay? And it will tell you how much each person is selling that product. This is what I am going to demonstrate. So what is AC number? So AC number is a Amazon standard identification number. What it means is each product that you sell on Amazon, it will have its own unique number. So for example, you sell in a mat, okay? You sell in a saucepan, you sell in a smartwatch. Each item will have its own unique ASIN number. Here I've got 35 ASIN number, and if I just expand this, okay, you can literally see everything is under the same category. So everything's like to do with smartwatch, okay, but they sort of like a different brand. So I've got one brand here, to be honest. I got another brand, and I got and so on and so forth. So the first brand I got is what? I got this. I got this brand, and then another brand, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this means that I got 35 AC number, 35 AC number, and so on and so forth. So in here, I only got first 17. Let me just put that again, you know. So if I just get something in here, let me pick this item, 35. Each item has its own ASIN number. So let me show you the ASIN number of this product. ASIN number of this product. Where is the ASIN number? ASIN number of this product. There you go. That's the ASIN number of this product. If I go back into my helium, okay, and go to X-ray for that specific smartwatch, it will give me exactly what I am looking at. So sometimes it gives me data globally, and sometimes it gives me data specifically. So here I've got 32 ASIN number, all right? And this 32 ASIN number, I can go through it and show you. You see here, 32 8 items, this ASIN number. And also the top as well, I only got one, which means the one that I selected, 89, right? That's the one. And I'm comparing this one to the other. Okay, so that is what the ASIN number is. The ASIN number is literally means a unique identification number Amazon assigns to you as an Amazon seller, all right? And that's a unique. So let's say you selling 10 products, you will have a 10 ASIN number. Second, you've got Amazon, you've got another tool which is called analyze review. What that means, analyze for you, is this. Say for example, you want to know who dislikes your product. You want to know who likes your product, right? This is where you with this where the analyzer comes in. It's a sort of like a feedback. Do they like, do they dislike, and so on and so forth. The next one, add competitor. What add competitor means let you track and compare your competitor products, okay, and which one is really he or she selling most, okay, and making more profit as well. The next one is what? It's called a run listing analyzer. Run listing analyzer checks how good your product's listing is. For example, you know, your title, the image, the keywords, description, etc., etc. How good your product listing is, you know, that what it really literally means. The next one is save product. What does that mean, a save a product? It means you can save a product and analyze it later. So save product, that you like it, you like the idea, you like the presentation, you know, you like the product, the description, the title, the image. You can save it and then use it later. The other one is what is a what's called a delete. All right. So you remove the product from the list to keep things, you know, better for you, better organized. And then you got filter. What does the filter mean? Is you narrow down product based on things like you know, the price of the product, the sales of the product, the review of the product, and so on and so forth. And next to that, you've got export. Okay, this explains a lot of stuff. It talks about the display order, the product details, the AC number, the URL, the image, the brand, the price, the parent level sales from all variation of the product, example, the size, the color, the AC number, the recent pages, and so on and so forth. And I'm going to show you this. So if I now say export, I want to export, I'm exporting this. You see this, all right? This is what I'm exporting, okay? And I want to analyze this offline. And I want to say, okay, show me in a CSV file. And I'm going to open that CSV file. So this way, you really analyzing the data, okay, offline, and it's available to you, and you can see literally what the data, what the telemetry of that data is really displaying. So here is awesome. So the first, I've got the order number or display number, you know. The display number is nothing but how products are arranged, you know, sort of like in a typical a list. So what are the order number, you know, and this sort of like a display number, how products are arranged, you know, in a list. That's what I said. Okay. And then from here, you've got, and then you've got the description, okay? Detail, product detail, short description of the product's features. So for example, this is the short description. So what it says, smart watch for men, women, blah, blah, make school, 1.8, smartwatch, fitness, watch with heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitor, 140 plus, sports, 100, IP68, waterproof, and so on and so forth. So it's nothing but the description of the product. Get the point? That is what it's really presented here. And let's go to the left. Okay, keep going from right to left. And then here you got the ASIN number, which I already explained, okay? Can you see here? Each product has its own unique ASIN number. This is Amazon identification, so the Amazon standard identification number. And then to the left, to the right, you've got the URL. Okay, which URL? I can literally copy this URL into Amazon and it will take me exactly the product that this AC number is being assigned to. Great. And then here I got the URL, image. Okay, I can automatically go to that product, that ASIN number, sorry, the product that this ASIN number is assigned to, and I can see what sort of image the seller has used. Okay, next to that I got the brand. Okay, so you see here, someone has got the same brand. Okay, so that means he's selling how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's selling 10 items. But let us see these 10 items. You see, the brand is the same, but the AC number is different. Or you see that, or the AC numbers are different. What that shows you, this is a unique ID for each product. To the left, you got the price, and so on and so forth. And then you've got what? And then you've got what's the next one? You've got parent level, really set. So parent level sales. What the parent level sales is from the old variation of a product, what are they? What do you have the details in here? Yes, you have the details, so you can just see and use it. Next to that, you've got ASIN sales, so the sale of this specific product. So for example, one ASIN sale, you've got this, another one, you've got another, you got that, and so on and so forth. Some of these are you've got 00, okay, and they don't have any sort of like a sell ASIN sales. And then so you can keep on and analyze one by one, you see, until you really go to the last state, and you can see what is this. So you say, for example, if you want to know the seller age, what is it? Month. So this is 1 month, 7 months, another month, nothing, month, another, you got here 30 months, and so on and so forth. All right. You also got the seller. Who is the seller? Who are they? What are their name? You can see here's their names. So you have a complete data, telemetry data to work on. Take them offline and you can analyze one by one. Okay, so that means it's really very, very good tool to use. So let's summarize and focus. Okay, one thing you see here, you see like 4,523. This is the Amazon bestseller. Okay, so here we understood the AC number, which is the Amazon uniquely identifiable number. We also understood the analyzer review, which means who likes your stuff, who dislike, whatever. We also talked about the add competitor, where if you want to add you add a competitor to your tool and see exactly how well and how badly they are doing. We also talk about from Cerebro. This tool is find keywords and data about a product, the performance. Okay. We also talk about run Amazon listing analyzer. Checks the image, the title, and the the keywords of your product. So check how your product is listed or is listing, all right? And then we talk about the saving a product. where if you want to review that product, if you like that product, you want to save it so that you can review it later. We also talk about deleting, that if you don't like what you saved previously, you can delete it. Filter, we talk about, narrow down to a specific sort of like items like review, sales, and price. So for example, you want to filter down this and you want to say, you know what, I just want to see the dislike, I just want to see the sell price, I just want to see the price of this product. You can do that as well. But I just want to explain one thing here. I just want to explain this, what this means, because this is very important. So this Amazon bestseller, it's a sort of like a calculator. It's based on sales data, not customer views, all right, or review, okay, or page views. Recent sales have more influence. So it tells you the latest sales that you've got here is the best. So what Amazon or bestseller means is like it's visible in the product information section of the product. Okay, you can also check the bestseller sellers list on Amazon. The differences between the bestseller and a search ranking. Bestseller ranks products by category sales, while search ranking are based on the SEO factors. High bestseller doesn't guarantee a high search ranking, vice versa, though both are really good. So literally using bestseller. So it doesn't mean the products are good, there is a good quality. No, it doesn't mean the users are liking. No, it means you could be selling something very low quality, but it's selling. People need this stuff. I don't know how that can be translated, yeah, but you could use this, the bestseller, and sort of like it's like a tracking sales metric. So you can monitor bestseller so that it is really sort of a metric to deeply understand the behavior and the performance of your product. So it's nothing to do with views, it's nothing to do with the quality of the product, but it's just, how much someone is selling. I hope this has been very informative for you, and I hope this has explained what we discussed on Sunday.